Let's test how long my fave matcha drink stays hot in this cutie mini tumbler throughout my graveyard shift. Good day sa'yo! I just got this cutie mini tumbler from Cuckoo Lemon. What I wanna test here is if nag-spill ba, umiinit ba yung body, and how long does your hot drink stay hot. It says in the box, heat retention up to 8 hours, but in the description online, it says it's 3 to 4 hours. We will see. Timplahin muna natin itong no sugar matcha drink ko. 1 teaspoon matcha. This is pure unsweetened, culinary grade. Equal gold for my sweetener. Then hot water. 300 ml nga lang pala to. Saktong tumbler for coffee, matcha drinks, or whatever drinks you want. Para naman maging creamy, but zero sugar pa din, I use APC or all-purpose. Mga 3 teaspoon. Mix na lang ng spoon or i-frother. Okay, so yung body niya doesn't get hot. Yung takip, hindi rin mainit. Kahit bagong kulo yung water ha. It is leak-proof, but when you open lang, of course, may basa from the takip. The material used is SUS 304 stainless steel and BPA-free. Time check, it's 7:40 p.m. My shift is at 10 p.m. Nakaligo na tayo. It's 4 a.m. right now. Kaninang mga 11 p.m. napapaso-paso pa din ako sa init ha. Mga 4 hours na yon from the time na tinimpla ko. Ngayon na 8 hours na, mainit pa din siya pero kaya nang lagukin. So yeah, true to its claim. And I really love this mini pink tumbler. If you also want this, go ahead and check out through the link. Siya, back to work. Blessings!